Ever wonder how to change a tire? Let's figure it out. You will need a socket, breaker bar, torque wrench, and a jack. Begin by applying the vehicle's parking brake. Next, locate the lifting point on the vehicle's frame and begin to raise the vehicle. Grab the appropriate socket and breaker bar. Begin to loosen all of the lug nuts. Once all of the lug nuts are off, remove the tire. With the old tire off, line the new tire up with the bolts and set in place. With the new tire in place, screw the lug nuts back onto the bolts. Using a crisscross fashion, use the breaker bar to tighten the lug nuts. Once tight, use a torque wrench set to your vehicle's specifications to check that each lug nut is snug. With the new wheel securely in place, slowly lower the vehicle to the ground. Release the parking brake. Congratulations, you just changed a tire.